out here on the Dirty Six, boy. I like the way this thing sounds. I kind of honestly forgot how much I liked it. It's really smooth bike, you know, like after going, like I thought the MT-07 was smooth. This thing is really smooth. But I don't know if it's the actual feel of the bike or just the sound. My wheelies on it are kind of ass though right now, not gonna lie. Gmar's wheelies are better than mine. The reason I'm riding this right now is because my SZ07 tire is so freaking bald on the left side that it's like, it's thin to the point where I'm not like, it's squishier on the left side. It's so bald that it's like thinner and it's squishier, so I'm like a little bit worried to have it like explode in a wheelie or something like that. And the center of it's showing the wire, or it's about to. It's got like a line starting down the center. So in general, it's about time for that tire. Normally I would ride it on the wire even for a little bit, but because that left side, because I don't know how bad the left side is, I can only just assume that it's, I'm gonna assume it's worse than it might be, even though it probably is really bad, because I just don't want to take the chance. So we're on this one because this one's got meaty, delicious, scrumptious tires. God, look at this thing, it's twitchy. My goodness. It's just so twitchy. Might have to just only do third gear or something, I don't know. Twitch. It's also having a different seating position makes it feel so weird. You know what doesn't feel weird though is having bars that are totally straight. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. My knee knockers are better than my sit downs anyway, so maybe I'll just pop it up on that. Gmar just decided one day that he was going to be really good, and so now he is. I feel like a noob. I'm just like, I'm not really scared of it. I'm just like, gotta get used to it though. No cops out today, or at least not that I've seen so far. I'm wearing my chest protector today, but I'm not wearing my back brace. And it's the first time I've rode. Oh shit, that's a red light. I can't even fucking see. Man, freaking double scare, man. I'm kind of like, I need to check my back before I do a wheelie again. Police on the Segway, Papa Wheelie. Hey, that's pretty cool. Security, Papa Take Wheelie.
The juice man. Put your hands in the sky.
boss. Lit, I'ma spit like a kid on the bit. Always yapping how you stacking, spending bands on your bit. Get brand with your shit, get robbed with your life. Set fire to your ice, watch you melt to the light.
I got two bad bitches sucking at the same time. The way they have my toes curled up should be a crime. Roll me up some killer bitch, I smoke the homicide. Doctor did a CAT scan, he said, boy, your brain's fried. I said, fools at the mention, it won't be no drive-by. Put a ticket on your head, now that's money on your mind. 9-figure nigga, yeah, multi-millionaire. All my ice hit, I feel like a Frigidaire. Tony Montana with the gold silverware. And I come from North Memphis, Lion, Tigers, Grizzly Bear. All these niggas hate, cause I'm winning and they hate. All these quarters in my lungs, I feel like a piggy bank. I feel like a piggy bank. Oh, I feel like a piggy bank. All these quarters in my lungs, I feel like a piggy bank. Did you hoes think? What you hoes think?
Ace with a rose and you bye, bye, bye. Timberlake with the K, say bye, bye, bye. Get my hand on your bitch.
Fuck. It was a truck, so he probably won't do anything. Yo, that's you. You're a twin. Anyway, that's gonna wrap everything up. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Ace with a rose and you bye, bye.